Olbrantz with this Friday's Friday Fuel. In under 1 minute, I'm going to help you make money, save money, or a combination of both, and we're going to crush it here. Hey, look, the truth is, let's be honest. If you're slow, among other things, you're probably not educating people enough. There are so many benefits to buying a home, and without you, without me educating them and giving them the right information, they're left doing Google and seeing all these fear-based stories out there to help them make a decision whether to buy or not. So here's 5 things that you should be talking about right now with every buyer, with every family out there. There's increased tax benefits, building equity, payment stability, negotiating power, wealth creation. People need to know how much money they can save by buying a house today, and even compare it to when rates were 2.5%. If you need help, or if you have any questions, give me a call, send me an email, let's set up a time. I'm here to help. And by the way, if you're out there working this weekend, so am I. Give me a call.